Good morning. I wake up early every day. It helps me stay productive. I make my bed every morning. It helps me start the day organized. I brush my teeth every morning. It keeps my teeth healthy. I take a shower every morning. It helps me feel fresh. I eat breakfast every morning. It gives me energy. I get dressed for the day. Looking good helps me feel confident. I pack my work bag. It helps me stay prepared. I commute to work every morning. It gives me time to plan my day. I start work at 9 o'clock. Staying focused helps me do my best.
I take short breaks during work. They help me stay productive.
I finish work in the evening. It feels good to complete my tasks. I return home after work. It is time to relax and recharge. I prepare dinner in the evening. Cooking at home can save money. I eat dinner in the evening. It helps me relax after a busy day. I read a book before bed. Reading helps me learn new things. I go to bed on time. Good sleep is important for good health. Good night. Sweet dreams.